Once you register and become a FINXPIRE affiliate, the very first thing you should look for is your AMM program, and I'm going to do it right away. For instance, let's go over to Chrome. You come here and you type amm.finspire.com, and once you put it, it is going to take you to a page that looks exactly like this. When you come to this page, right, you look for these top three lines here. You get it? These three lines above here, near this search, tap on it. It is going to bring you these things. You see category, my course, my wish list, my messages, purchases history. See my course, the second one, tap on it. If you tap on it, it is going to load and bring you somewhere like this. So if it brings you somewhere like this, see where the road start lesson, right? Good. This is your AMM program, the one you paid for. And once you get to this place, you will see pro affiliate marketing training. This is PAMT. That is part 1. And you see the second one, pro affiliate marketing PAMT, part 2. So you click on the first one. You will see introduction, that is model 1 video 1. You see mindset, model 1 video 2. You see affiliate plus marketing, model 2 video 1. This is the training you paid for. Do you understand? And if you click the very first one here, which is introduction, you are going to see link this join Telegram support group. This is affiliate marketers on FINXPIRE. You will join and go and meet other affiliates who has been there before you. This is where to meet them. Or you join the WhatsApp, you understand, and still watch the videos. So you pay attention to these videos, listen to Sam Olaleye and the things he has to say. Without paying attention to these videos, you see they are even short, 17 minutes, 18 minutes, 5 minutes. They are not that long. 30 minutes, they are not long. It's not like hours or 2 hours or 5 hours. No, you can see 7 minutes, 20 minutes, 14 minutes, 9 minutes, 12 minutes. Just pay attention to them. Have a writing material around you so that you don't come back. When you are done, you go to session 2 and also pay attention. You see session 2 have introduction. You also have AEC formula. So all this introduction, you see 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 9 minutes. So you do not rush, pay attention to them and get the best out of it. That is how to access your AMM program and you start to study. That is it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel.